A judge is allowing local prosecutors to stay on the murder cases of Mario Fernandez Saldana and Shanna Gardner. This is video from court today. The defense teams for both suspects asked the judge to kick the 4th Judicial Circuit State Attorney's Office off the case, alleging that it violated attorney-client privilege. Fernandez and Gardner are charged in what investigators say was a murder-for-hire plot to kill Gardner's ex-husband, Jared Bridegan, 2 years ago. Action News Jack's Robert Grant joins us live outside the Duval County Courthouse now. And Robert, the judge says there was no misconduct.
Yeah, but John, she did say there was poor judgment from the state here. Now, the defense's request has been the focus of several pretrial hearings here in court for the past several months. Well, now a move today from the judge to speed up this process.
The weight of this decision is not lost on me, for either side.
A month-long debate over whether prosecutors received attorney-client privileged communication, including emails and texts. Attorneys for Shanna Gardner and Mario Fernandez asked to have the 4th Judicial Circuit prosecutors booted. Today, it was denied. The judge argued it wasn't misconduct, but says it was poor judgment. The state used a taint team to access information.
The state's actions left itself open to a high probability that attorney-client privilege information would be exposed both to law enforcement and to the state without proper review.
Judge London Kite says the text messages were not attorney-client privileged, but did suppress them, and will now have a case management hearing with both sides as a result.
But I do know that what was happening before these issues were brought to the court is not acceptable.
Where you have a number of different defendants all at different levels of participation, you want to make sure that the path to a trial is clear.
Action News Jack's on safety expert Dale Carson, a criminal defense attorney, says that's the purpose for a case management hearing. Before that, though, the judge is set to hear Gardner's motion for a bond, which Carson says is rare.
It is unusual in a homicide case to have somebody back out on the street for obvious reasons.
And Gardner will be back in court here this coming Wednesday for that bond hearing. The case management hearing will be later on this month. With local coverage you can count on in downtown Jacksonville, I'm Robert Grant, Action News Jax.